and welcome to the Hillbilly Chicken Ranch. I am Susan, your hostess. Today is Jazzy June Snacks 25. It is an open collaboration for the month of June, hosted by my channel, the Hillbilly Chicken Ranch. The official playlist will be below in the description box, and if you're a channel out there that does keto, diabetic friendly, low carb meals and snacks, this is the collaboration for you. So what are we doing today? We're going to make a fruit pizza. And what is the best way to kick off the summer months is to always have fresh fruit on hand. I'm going to show you what I got on hand. Then we're going to get into the recipe, which is very simple. This is a keto recipe. It has a total of 7 carbs and 4 net carbs. It comes in 3 steps. So we're going to get into step 1 in just a moment. Fresh cantaloupe. This is actually a very ripe cantaloupe. You can tell by the center there that it is very ripe. You can tell by the smell. So this will get cut up and we'll just eat this as is. But it is a refreshing fruit that we can get locally. So we were glad to be able to pick that up at our local farmers market. Bananas. These are starting to ripen up, and you actually want them to be a little bit dark on the skin because you get more nutrients and potassium, etc. with your bananas. Fresh, in season, peaches. Oh, I love a fresh peach. And I will be probably using one of these in today's pizza. Fresh blackberries. Yum, yum. Raspberries. And strawberries. I'm preheating my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I have pulled all my ingredients for phase 1. I have got a half a teaspoon of baking powder, a third of a cup of coconut powder, 1 cup of almond flour, 1/3 cup of my monk fruit sweetener. The recipe said to use powdered sweetener, but I couldn't find the powdered. 1/3 cup of softened butter, 1 egg, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. So I'm going to start with my wet ingredients. I'm going to go ahead and put my egg in there, my vanilla extract, and my softened butter. And I'm just going to get this started to get it incorporated. I'm going to go ahead and add in my baking powder. My coconut powder or my coconut flour. And now I'm going to add in my almond flour. I have a pizza stone here, but you can use a lined cookie sheet with some parchment paper, or you can use one of those springform pans, whichever way you prefer to do this. And this is the sugar cookie base. So this is the really easy sugar cookie base. I'm going to make a ball with this, and then I'm going to get it flattened out onto my cookie sheet. So what I'm going to do is grab some parchment paper, and I'm going to get this pressed down. Our cookie crust is ready. You want to let it cool for a few minutes. And we're going on to step 2, which is the cream cheese frosting. So I have pulled 5 ounces plus 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of my sweetener, 1 tablespoon of heavy whipping cream. Go ahead and put my heavy whipping cream into the bowl along with the sweetener. I'm going to go ahead and get that started. So I'm going to get this frosting spread. And we're going to move on to phase or step 3. Okay, my peaches kind of fell apart, but we're going to try to put them in here kind of pretty. Make a little flower with them. There we go. Little flower in the center. Next, I'm going to put on some raspberries. All my fruit has been washed. Okay, now I'm going to do the blackberries. Put a blackberry in the middle. And last but not least, it's going to be my strawberries. And a taste test for the cook. Mm. And there it is, folks. It looks yummy to me. And we're going to let this cool for about 20 minutes in the refrigerator. Then we're going to take a taste test. Yum, yum. We're fixing to take a taste test. And you definitely want to use the parchment paper underneath it to transfer. So just so you know, I learned a lesson today because it broke apart a little bit, but that's okay. So delicious and refreshing. It's got a nice soft cookie. The fruit flavors go well with the cream cheese, the cookie. It is delicious. Mm. Thank you for joining Jazzy June Snacks 25, hosted by me, the Hillbilly Chicken Ranch. Open collaboration for the month of June. If you're a content creator, jump on board with your recipes because I'm looking forward to seeing what you can make. It's so delicious, y'all. It's a winner. Hey friends, thank you so much for watching my channel. Thank you for the many comments, the likes, the friendships, and for sharing this content out. Take a moment and watch all of the advertisements because that is how I get monetized and get paid I appreciate each and every one of you for your time and your patience. And y'all, I have this special content over here I think you might like.